enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. This only took about 2 weeks of dedicated fun to comb through all of the footage that I took on my GoPro that I got myself for Christmas, as well as all of the fun video that my phone takes, my Pixel takes as it's taking pictures to put this together. So I hope this video indicates to you how amazing I think the Galapagos Islands are. They're absolutely beautiful, and if you get a chance to go in person, I would highly recommend going, just so that you can see it for yourself and experience all of the flora and fauna that are surrounding you at all times, and the people there are amazing. So this trip was a tour. It was a Contiki tour, which I've done. This tour was basically my 7th tour, so I've done quite a few, and these Contiki tours are for 18 to 35-year-olds. So it's a group of people, like-minded people who like to travel, all young, and I have yet to have a bad Contiki group. So highly recommend Contiki. This specific tour is very good. If you get a chance, do it. And keep an eye out for part 2, which is Peru. And that one I haven't even started working on. And that one's gonna be fun because it's mostly pictures. So keep an eye out for that one. See you guys soon. Bye, friends.